Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Zinhle and welcome back to the Real ZB, where we talk all things locks, lifestyle, and hopefully share a few laughs. So in my get to know me video, I mentioned that my go-to method to do curls is to do bantu knots. But today I've decided to try something I saw on the internet, which is called pipe cleaner knots. And then I just want to see the difference between the two. So this will be a tutorial on how you can do pipe cleaner knots. So what you basically need is a packet of pipe cleaners. So this is what a pipe cleaner looks like. It's this thin fuzzy thing. So you get these from any craft shop. I got mine from Uncle Paul's, which is a Chinese shop, and it was 15 Rand for a packet, and I got 2 packets just to be safe. But you can get these at crazy stores and any craft store. I'm sure any craft store will have. So it's these pipe cleaners. I got them in black because they are quite fuzzy, so I don't want all of these weird colors to be coming out on my hair. So that's why I got a color that is going to match my hair. So this is basically what you're gonna do with your pipe cleaner. So you're gonna take one long pipe cleaner and it comes like this. What you want to do is you want to fold it in half like that. Make sure that everything is nice and even, and then you are going to stick your finger in the little loop, right? And you're going to twist, making sure that you make a little circle at the bottom. Now you can do this as you get more practiced and more used to the method. You won't actually have to stick your finger in there, but if you are a beginner, I do suggest that you stick your finger in there, and then what you want to do is you're going to twist the 2 strands all the way down. You can keep your finger in just to stabilize, but what you want to do is to twist all the way down like so. So your final product should look something like this. And I just went ahead and did all of mine. So I have mine all ready to go. So you'll need to do this to every one of them. And yeah, so let's get these in our hair. We all know by now what is the first thing that we do every time we are going to do a style on our head. Pause this video and write down in the comment section below what is the first thing we always do before we do anything to our hair, and come back. I'll wait. So yes, I'm sure you guessed it right. The first thing that we do is we spray our hair with water. So yeah, did you get it right? I'm sure you all got it right by now. I've said it so many times. So you spray your hair thoroughly with water. So once your hair is nice and saturated with water, what I like to do is to loosely tie my hair so that I can just pull the pieces that I'll be using. So we're gonna start here in the front, and you're just gonna pull 2 of the pieces in the front like so. Then you're going to take the 1 pipe cleaner. So what you're going to do is you're going to start wrapping from just after the loop that you've made, right? So you're going to start twisting just after the loop, and you're going to twist your hair around the pipe cleaner. Make sure that you are twisting as tightly as you can so that you can get the desired results. So you're just going to twist all the way to the top. So this is what it basically should be looking like, and you're just gonna do this for the rest of your hair. So I'm just gonna speed through it, honey. Once you're done, you're just gonna let it sit overnight. Okay, so it's definitely Wednesday. It's definitely 4 days later, and I've just been too lazy to take all of this out. So today's the day, because I actually have places to be tomorrow. So, and also these things are starting to hang. So today is the day. Defos. I'm definitely dripping. So now how do we take these out? So let's see if I can come a little bit closer here. So, okay, the pipe cleaners are black, so you can't really see what I'm doing. But basically what you want to do is you want to pull the pipe cleaner ever so gently out, and you're left with this little bouncy thing. And your pipe cleaner should look exactly the way you put it in. So I'm just gonna, let me actually demonstrate again how you would pull it out of your hair. What you want to do is you want to grip the loop. I don't know if you can see. You're gonna grip the loop and you're just gonna slide it on down, and you're left with this dangly little curl. Okay. So I have all the pipe cleaners, hopefully. Oh wait, there's one. This is what the curls look like. I really want to keep them in the bob, but I just feel like I need to brush them out with my fingers because some of them aren't keeping this position. So I'm just gonna gently, you know, brush them out with my hair. What I've found about the pipe cleaners, I love having the pipe cleaners in my hair, guys. I think I might have found a new go-to curling style, because first of all, they are so easy to put in, and it takes actually less time than when I would put in bantu knots. And then another thing is that I could sleep so peacefully on the pipe cleaners on my head. It didn't feel like I had anything far in my head, because bantu knots can get quite painful and stressful. So I really found that it was really nice having them in my head, so much so that, as you heard, it took me a few days to, you know, take them out of my hair. So, and I really love this volume at the bottom kind of look. Like all my curls here at the bottom are rocking it. Like I really like how the curls turned out. I still have panties in my hair, but I really love how the curls turned out. Let me know. I really love how bouncy the curls are. So this is what the curls look like up close. This is what the curls are looking like. And I think I really enjoy doing my curls this way. I think did I find a new go-to way? I think I might have found a new go-to way to curl my hair. But with this, I found that your hair does have to dry, so that's why I suggested in the beginning that you should wait a day. You should have it overnight so that your curls can set, whereas bantu knots you can just do it a few hours before, but those curls won't stay unless you put heat on your hair. Give this video a thumbs up if you would love to see me try more lock styles, and while you're here, might as well click on one of the videos on your screen to catch up with my content, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.